exactly the same, that would be boring. But in God's eyes, we all look the same, and we're all priceless. No one person is more important to God. Not one. I don't care if it's the president. I don't care if it's it doesn't matter. A king, queen, we're all just as important to God. We're all priceless to God, and you're all priceless. You're all priceless to me. I appreciate you. Okay, thank you for coming. Assalamu alaikum. Nakapindasana over in Africa. I'm coming there. I'm coming, Kenya. I love you guys. You know, all of you. Namaste. Okay. Poland. Yakshamash. Hey. Yachikohem. Okay. I love you guys. All of you. Okay. And thank you for coming. And let's just be kind. Okay. Let's keep that. Be kind. All right. Yeah, that's what I thought I said that. But yeah, America's the melting pot. All right. Well, I gotta go. And thank you so much for coming. Again, my name is Liberty V Justice. You can buy this shirt. 10% off when you sign up for our text messages. And there's a sale for with our cookbook. It's 50% off when you buy this shirt. Social distancing champion. I came up with this during the COVID thing. I've been social distancing since since I was like 4. Okay, I need my alone time, right? But you can go buy this shirt. It's about $23. You got all different sizes, all different colors. Check it out. And it's 100% cotton. Okay, it's really nice. I usually don't like shirts like this, but I ordered one for myself so I can sell it to you because it's a great shirt. It's great. It breathes in the summer. It's just really nice, right? So check out the shirts. We give. Check out all of our. You know what? I'll put that in the thing because I gotta go. But check out the shirts. Check out our merch. We have water bottles, all types of stuff. We have products for dogs. We have digital cards that I created, and check them out in our store because 10% of all of our profits go to Operation Underground Railroad, helping kids escape from sex trafficking because I'm a survivor of sexual abuse, molestation, and rape. So I really want to help kids, and let's help some kids together, all right? Because they are worth it. I believe the children are the future. So let's do it, man. You know, when we're gone, we got to leave a legacy. We got to help these kids, teach them the right way, all right? So be kind. Pass it on. The kids will be kind. If we're kind, it'll be like a domino effect, and everybody else will be kind, all right? Spread it around. You're worth it. Thank you.